by our elected officials.
We did a presentation to the city of Reading, to some of the leadership of the city of Reading, the city manager, the head building official, the fire marshal, and we were presenting to them, telling them about all these benefits, like, the cost savings and the design palette and, perhaps the first in California to 3D print. And we're saying all we need is an approved set of plans. And the city manager of the city of Reading stood up with his hands in the air and said, yes, I want Reading to be the first in the state to 3D print a house. And the head building official at the time, as he was saying that, the head building official put his head in his hands and said, oh my gosh, I have to approve the first 3D printed house in the state of California.